Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming exactly what happened and why. Check the email Sony sent and sign into your PlayStation account to read the suspension notice. This tells you the reason, date, and length. Once done, collect proof, receipts, order ID, device serials, and any chat logs or screenshots that show normal behavior. Make sure you note account usernames and the console model. These facts matter when you contact support. Do not attempt workarounds. Focus on documenting the official record. Next, file an official appeal with PlayStation support and present your documentation calmly. Explain what happened, attach receipts and screenshots, and if you made a mistake, acknowledge it. Honesty can help. Ask them to cite the exact policy sections involved and to outline their review timeline. Once submitted, monitor the case number and follow up at reasonable intervals. Keep all responses. If support requests more proof, supply it promptly. This is the legitimate path to potential reinstatement. Finally, act on the outcome. If PlayStation lifts the ban, follow their instructions, change passwords, remove offending content, and secure payment methods. If the appeal is denied, ask about refunds or chargebacks for recent purchases and consider setting up a new account and console through proper purchase channels. Keep meticulous records of every communication. If you suspect error or unfair treatment, contact consumer protection or seek legal advice. One key troubleshooting tip: if you don't hear back, escalate politely with the case number.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.